and welcome to the Flying Cork TX.
We're back at the Flying Cork TX, and we're on the road. We're way up in Northeast Texas in Tyler at the Kiepersol Winery and Vineyard. Oh, and distillery tasting room as well next to us, so we might hit up some spirits as well. So stay tuned. And Roth, you ready? Here we go. Okay, so yeah, we're inside of here at Kiepersol Winery, way out in northeast Tyler, Texas. And now I'm sitting here today with Kevin Cato. He was our tasting sommelier today and definitely appreciated some very amazing wines. Can you give us a little history on Kiepersol, on the winery itself again?
Oh, yes, of course. I'll be happy to. Right.
Yeah.
We've been here for 25 years now. We're 63 acres of vineyards. Everything's estate grown. Our founder, Pierre de Witt, came from South Africa with his 2 young daughters when they were 4 and 2 years old. Unfortunately, Pierre passed away in 2016, and his 2 daughters now run the winery for us, Marnell and Bellarmine. I'm very pleased to be the, like I said, the top Texas winery this year. We won again last year, and in 2017, the Houston International Rodeo Wine Competition.
Yeah, I've seen definitely see lots of awards up there on the wall there. That's really amazing. How long have you been here?
I've been here about almost 4 years now.
Almost 4 years? That's awesome. You got a favorite wine here yourself?
The Barrel 33.
The Barrel 33, yeah. Don't have the Barrel 33, but the Sangioveses were amazing. The Rosés were very on point, including the barrel aged. That was absolutely delicious. This is a winery as well as a distillery, so they definitely have the spirits here too. What else do they have on site? B&B as well?
B&B and a nice restaurant.
And a restaurant.
We started that before we did the winery. We also have an RV park, the Bushman RV Park. It's a few minutes down the road on the highway.
I did not see the RV park, so that's really good to know. I definitely appreciate it. I really appreciate the tasting today. Okay. The wines were on point. They were very amazing. So you get a chance to come out this way, you have to stop by Kiepersol. Always keep that on your list for when you're road tripping.
Okay.
I thank you very much,
All
Kevin.
Right, thank you, Mr. Briscoe.
Yep,
appreciate
absolutely.
That. Okay.
Definitely.
We'll see you again soon now.
Oh, we'll be back. We will be back for sure.
Okay.
All right. Cheers. Keep the corks flying. It is so beautiful. Exceptionally hot day out here today. Up here in Tyler, Texas is Kiepersol Winery and Vineyard. Majority of their wines are estate vineyards, and it was just an absolutely beautiful day. I want to turn around and give you a view of the vines themselves on the estate, and when you're sitting up in the tasting room out on the patio, this is the lovely view that you have. Whether you have one of their distilled spirits cocktails or one of their amazing glasses of wine, but this place is it's just amazing. It's been a couple of years, so long that I have been wanting to get up here, and we're finally here. So much to do up here. You could spend the night and have such a great time and still not be able to experience all that they have to offer here. So highly recommended. Pack up your camper, your trailer, your backpack, your little travel suitcase, and come up here and taste their wines and such. All right, cheers. Let the corks fly, and we'll see you out there. Bye-bye.